Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Javi. In this video, I would love to talk about what does it mean and what is the meaning of awakening. Now, I've heard a lot of people asking, what is the meaning of awakening? Why even awaken? Most people are not aware because most people live in a sense of their ego or their personal self. So the meaning of awakening means to become your source, your true source, to be in the space of who the universe has made you to be. Now, it's actually not that complicated. It's more complicated to let go of who we think we are than to actually be. But to actually be, you just have to be. Now, the situation that most of the time happens is that most people do not want to wake up to this realization that they've been the ones causing most of their own suffering. When they realize who they truly were and find out that the meaning of awakening wasn't that there was not any meaning to awakening. You were already awake. You were already in a space of being your true self. The only situation that's going on that we cannot see it is because we have all these veils, all these things in front of knowing and being in your wakefulness. So it's not that we are trying to wake up. We are already awake. We are just discovering that we have always been awake because we have put ourselves in a state of amnesia. So to really answer this question, the reason of awakening, or what is the reason of awakening, is just to truly just discover who you are, for you to just be. There is no doing, there's just being, and through your being you just are, and life just blooms and blossoms exactly how you want it. Thank you again for watching one of my videos. If you would like to keep up with more videos like this, please subscribe, like this video, comment. Namaste. Amitabah. Peace.